Well, looks like we got a leaky hydro boost unit. So instead of spending $250 just for the part, we're gonna fix it for about 15 bucks. I'll show you how we do that. These will be the tools we're using. Not too many tools. Need a catch can. A few wrenches, not a big deal. Okay, let's get to it. Get to this part, take this thing out, this out, this might fall out. There's a spring. There's a seal right in here. So pay attention to which way the seal comes out. It should just come right out. The open side faces this way. And here's a package of O-rings. This is $15 on Amazon. Comes with your figure 8 gasket. We'll change that in a minute. And then 2 seals. Just match up which one you need. We need the big one. Throw that one away. You can coat this with oil. I'm going to do that real quick. Hit pause. Alright, seal's oiled up. Stick that back in there. It's a little tricky. Okay, so part of the video file got lost when I was trying to talk about this. This is the accumulator. This should be charged with about 350 psi of nitrogen. There's an O-ring there. I already changed it on the one I have. And this one was collapsed when I initially pulled it out. But if you can do this to it, if you can collapse it, this unit's bad. So I don't know how you recharge these with nitrogen, but I was able to get another one off eBay. I believe it cost like 35 bucks, 30 bucks, something like that. And but that one works great. But do not try to take this apart. If you can't compress this, or if it's not slammed down to the bottom, there's a C-clip right there. Don't try to just take this apart. It's, like I said, it's got charged of, it's charged with about 350 psi pressure. So there's that. So coming in here, the tricky part is getting this part right here into this groove right here. And remember, we don't have the rod with the spring in here yet. It makes life much easier to leave it out. So line that up, and you can move this in place just like that. Slide it together and then start some bolts. There's a hole there somewhere. There it is. Well, didn't mean to send it all the way, but hey. Gotta do the last one by hand. Now slide that in. grab this thing. I might need something to stand on. This is probably the trickiest part, but it will work. So much for making this look easy. Like a monkey fucking up her paw. Let's make sure that's in the grooves. Good to go. Make sure I look straight. Now just slide this back on. Hook the hoses up on it. There we go. I've already changed these O-rings. Not going to do it again. There you go. Now all I gotta do is fill your power steering fluid up and you're done. There you go.